You trying to race? Let's get a race. Yo, we are squad deep right now. What is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. And as you see, we outside. Yo, what is this? Y'all ran into it? What's good, bro? Hey, free 150 smoke. Free 150 smoke. I'm a rookie. And it's in the sandals. Let's go. Dude, this homie shreds, bro. Any bike, homie shredded. And people are racing, it's getting cheap. How you doing all that in sandals, dog? That's crazy. He's like that for real. There's another 150. Look at all the 150s. Yeah. Bro. It's so sick running through like these trails. Hey, he got it. He was saying in the beginning of the rookie, he was saying in the beginning of the video that he's a rookie. Let's go, bro. That boy is getting it, dude. I think I need to put some sandals on because I think the sandals give you some type of power. Like they got to, bro. Them sandals give you power. Look at the squad, bro. Squad deep. Ooh, damn, y'all hear that too? God damn! That been fire, bro. Let's go. The boy's turning up. You trying to race? Let's get a race. You call it. Off you. All right. From a roll. From a roll. That's right. From a roll. We're gonna. Hey, you got damn turbo on your bike, bro? How you so fast?
I got boost.
Yeah, for real. Bro, I swear you just take off, bro. I'm like, what the hell? I think he changed his sprocket, he said. Yeah, so he changed his rear sprocket, so he's cheating. Yeah, let's race. Would you let me try to wheelie it? I don't know. Sure. I'll be careful. Okay. Let's go now, bro. What you want, bro? Yeah, it ain't going wheelie. Yo, I was just cruising on that bad boy. You start it or me? Alright. Hey, that's a 1200? Yeah. Okay. 1200 versus a Honda 150. The way you sit on a Harley, it's literally like you're on a couch, you know? It's such a vibe. The electric e-bike life. I don't know, I just can't get into it, bro. It ain't my thing. I'd rather be on my 50, but like, it is dope. Like, the way he shreds it, it's there. He really be out there doing, oh my, no way. Yeah, that's nuts. Yoo-hoo. Bro, that's so sick with all the bushes and everything coming up. Ah! Goddamn bug, dude. The bug nailed me. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go.
They're hanging low.
Yeah. Hey, what hit me in my eye? Race me? Alright, let's go, let's go.
How many you want?
Huh?
How many you want?
How many what?
How many bikes you want? You want to hit, right? You know,
0.
you want to hit?
I'm gonna launch right off your ass, bro. Hey. Alright. You want to trade? Just for one little thing?
Oh, you want to ride this?
Yeah. You can ride this if you want. I just wanted to just take it down the strip and bring it back.
It's not running right, but you go.
It's not running right?
No, I need a service on it.
Okay. Is it like bogging out or?
Yeah, you can hear it a little bit.
Okay. Well, let me test her out and see. This is a 2021, right? Yeah, I know the wheelie. The race go. You got race guys in there, dog. What's good, bro?
Chilling.
Chilling, bro. I like the shades. The shades.
Appreciate it.
You got a Thumpstar. You got a Thumpstar. I used to have, well, I have one of these. I've never seen anyone else have a Thumpstar yet. Let's go, bro. Boy, rocking the 140. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shout out all the homies out here just killing it, bro. Straight shredding. Stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. Until next time, peace.